Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today was a good day and we got some freebies for you to check out as always on Monday, but we threw in a bonus. So watch the two watch faces, but check the one out at the end. All right, you all, let's go ahead and get this review started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and yes, we made it past the Monday grind, and listen, it's time to move on to the next day. So with that being said, let's go ahead. We got some free watch faces for you. You know this takes place every Monday, right? And we got a nice lineup for you, so make sure you watch the video all the way through to the end. Now the name of this watch face is called SSOM Dynamic 7. Not a bad looking watch face, and always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on, so you don't miss out on anything. And when the watch face is on, you got your digital time at the top along with your day and your date, all your normal things. You get a PM stamp as well. You come down, you get your battery percentage. That's what this represents right here. You come down, you get some shortcuts. You get, of course, where you can set an alarm. You can find your phone. You got weather, and yes, it is interactive. So if you tap it one time, you can go into those shortcuts at will. And of course, you get your information on your steps down at the bottom, and you can tap to go into it. And if you need your calendar, just tap on the time at the top, and it'll bring it right up. I thought this was a very good look by SSOM. But with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's ride off and check out watch face number 2. Let's check out watch face number 2. Now this one here, again, is by SSOM. The name of this watch face is called Dynamic 3. Now I'm liking Dynamic 3. You're going to get the same look in the always on mode. But when the watch face is on, this is where it starts to look really good, right? Up at the top, you get your date and your day, right? Around the bezel of the watch, you get a few shortcuts. One is going to be your phone. You'll be able to tap into your music, your S Health, and you can set an alarm. I'm liking this look. Now, if you look dead center, you're pretty much going to get your moon phase. Now, I'm quite sure the sun is going to shine once it gets to the daytime, but right now it's kind of showing nightfall, or could that be snow? Because it's been snowing in my area in the Midwest, which is crazy, right? And you get your step info. You get your step count, your miles walked or ran, calories burned, heart rate, all the important stuff. And then you come down. This is going to give you info on your miles, well, your step count completed. Also, you're going to get your battery life right here on the side. And of course, you get your digital time. But what I like about this is that you get an analog time just as well. So you get the best of both worlds. I thought this was a really good look by SSOM, and I'm going to give 2 thumbs up to this one. With that, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice, but before we get started, let me clarify something really quick. The first 2 watch faces that you just got through seeing are free for the taking for a limited time offer. Once you download those are yours. This one here, not so much. Now, this one you get to check out for 7 hours to make up your mind if you want to buy it or not. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's get this review started. Now, this watch face is by Black Turtle, and you know Black Turtle definitely gets down on some watch faces. The name of this watch face is called PA01 All In One. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as you would if the watch face is on. Just going to be dimmed down quite a bit, and you'll still be able to see your time at a glance. But once the watch face is on, you get your digital time at the top. You come down, you're going to get the day of the week, and it's going to be lit up to let you know what day it is. You're going to get your date. You also come all the way down. You got a couple of dials. You get your battery on your left, and you get your heart rate on the right, which is a very nice look. And then you're going to get info on your steps at the bottom, and you're also going to get your calories burned. I thought this was a really good look. You also get an analog clock as well, and you got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. I thought this was a really good look, worthy of a review, and you can customize the color. You got quite a few you can go through to check out. I thought this was a really nice look. I thought he did a really good job on this watch face. So I'm trying to cycle through so you can get to see some of the watch faces that you're going to be in store for when you download this watch face. Not bad, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.